Hey folks, welcome back. I forgot to pull tonight's dinner out of the freezer last night, and I had to do a mad dash to the store just to, find something for dinner. And found some. We're just going to do some chicken thighs that I picked up really quick, just not long ago at all. Coming back out here on the KUDU grill. I'm excited to try this, to try another method of cooking it. It's just, I'm over charcoal tonight, but let me show you this wood over here I bought from KUDU. Guys, check this out. This is called, I'm going to say it wrong, acacia. This is South African wood, and it's supposed to put off a very aromatic, sweet flavor to it. And they sell it at the website. Basically, it's a South African style grill, and he brought this back from South Africa and sells it. And it's really hard wood, very hard. And it's we're going to use it in conjunction with the charcoal just to generate some smoke for this chicken while we're grilling it up. We should get some good flavor out of it. I'm suddenly a little worried about rain, and I can't move this thing like I can some of my other grills. Hey guys, this is a totally made up meal. This is just about 4 chicken thighs here, picked up not long ago at the store, and I'm just going to add some kicking chicken from Weber. Don't tell the KUDU people I'm using Weber stuff. Get a little heat on this chicken, get a little bit under the skin. Not going to add a whole lot. I really wanted to try this wood, so that's the main reason I'm sticking to this. And now all of a sudden I'm worried about a little bit of rain. Let me get these turned over. I have not decided if I'm going to glaze these. I'll think about that as we go. Alright guys, get the grill going and we'll get this thing on the grill. Can y'all see that? That's scaring the bejeebies out of me. That's a smart thing to do. I need to get it this ready. Just mostly one side, kind of create that 2-zone fire like we do on our other grills. Let's go ahead and swing the grate. I'm going to raise it up a little higher for now. I'm going to position this so the chicken is not directly over the heat. We're going to get some good smoke and get some heat and cook it over here, kind of indirectly. Hey guys, here we go. I'm going to put most of the chicken over here indirect. I'm still new at this, so we'll probably make some adjustments here as we go. I might even be a little bit higher than what I need to be, being indirect. We'll take a look at that in just a second. Let's get our dome on here so we can start cooking. For smoke, I'm just going to add some of this acacia wood right there off to the side. Clearly a rookie here on this grill. Reposition. Just not liking my heat levels where I was at. Take a look. We've been on, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. Yeah, we'll set that over there for now. I'm gonna do a little moving around. Don't know that I'm ready to turn them yet. Getting some good color on there. You can see there's a little smoke hitting them. This in here I think is being cheated of some love. A little bit more direct. See if we can't get these guys moving. This smoke is smells really amazing. A little different than what I've used before. Okay, let's see what we got here. Maybe 30 minutes or so in. I bump that thing every time I take that lid off. I'm gonna turn these over. Oop, I know we're not close yet, but let's take a look. Yeah, we're closer than I thought. We're up around 140. A little bit more time. All good, guys. Now that one's a little bit less. I need to get me a good internal temp. I'm gonna move this one in a little closer to the heat. I like what I'm smelling too, guys. That wood smells good. I've never used this before. Never dreamed I'd pay that much for wood either. And guys, we're roughly 30 minutes or so. Maybe a little bit more than that. I'm gonna turn these guys. And we're gonna start, I'm gonna check some temps here. We're gonna get, I'm actually gonna lower this down, get some good color there. I don't know if you can see it, the sun's starting to go down on us. All right. We're starting to run, we're very close, we're up in the 160s. This one I'm gonna move in a little bit even further, like I did this one. Yeah. All right, guys. Very close. Sun's starting to go down on me. Family's getting antsy, so. All right. Do believe we are there. I'm gonna check these. I was gonna glaze these, but Mama kind of decided she did not want any glaze. Oh yeah. Beautimous, beautimous. Oh, I can tell they're there. 175. Yeah, I think I'm about the end of the life of this internal temp. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm pulling these. Let's go inside and we'll get a test. We'll give them a taste. They look really good. Alright guys, we'll see you inside. Okay, just to finish up guys, I'm not really worried about saving much of this charcoal. I might save a little bit. Kind of like the Weber kettle. You see with some of the others, usually with an open fire, you can't really do a whole lot to save your charcoal, but with this one you can, and I really want to save that wood. We're gonna put this fire out. And have some good color. I don't know if you can see that. Smells awesome. I can smell that kicking chicken seasoning. Let's get a bite of this. Kind of a rush video, guys. I apologize. I was really interested in that wood, and it is there. Kind of unlike anything I've eaten before. Different. The flavor goes with that aroma that I was smelling earlier. It's just real sweet, guys. It's very good. The kicking chicken's jumping in there for sure. Wow, guys, for an unplanned cook, it turned out really good. It tastes good. And guys, as usual, I cannot thank you enough. The KUDU it's the KUDU. It's new to me. I'm learning it. It'll get better. It was a good cook, guys. So guys, thank you. Hit that like button for us if you don't mind, and subscribe if you haven't already. So guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.